How to pay Uber Eats with Cash App. So the first thing that we need to do is open up the Uber Eats app. Here we will click on account, which can be found in the bottom right corner. From here we will have to go into our wallet, and now you will see these options: your Uber Cash, you can send a gift, vouchers, voucher codes, but we want to select add payment method. And from here you may notice that there isn't any Cash App option. However, what we can do is use our Cash App card instead. Click on credit or debit card. Now the Cash card is a debit card, so it is going to work here. All you have to do is input the card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV, which can be found at the back of your Cash card. Now, after we have done this, we can also use the camera icon here next to card number to scan our Cash App card. And this is going to use Cash App, or our Cash card rather, as a payment method on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.